Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, trip computer, heated front seats. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.